It's 6:30 a.m. Madilim pa pala. So good morning. Kababangon lang. The sun is out. Magbe-breakfast lang kami. And then uuwi na. It's Monday. Happy Labor Day, Canada. Kaya nandito kami for like 2 days, 2 nights, pang 3 days na namin ngayon actually. Gusto ko pa sanang maglakad-lakad, kaya lang kailangan na daw namin ligpit. Kalas-kalas na ang mga tent. Greg, laling pa ilagtan yung ka. Ayan. Time to mga lakati iyawid mo. Tabi mo ito ang nagdaragitan. Time to agawid. Pero kailangan kanong may amin nga naluton. Lahat ng mga hindi pa naubos, uubusin namin. Kalas-kalas na. Pero doon sa kabila, natutulog pa yung bata.
Dintaray kasi si Katintaray doon sa bayo. Hindi pwede.
Kumita kayo mga agama. Napintas, ti life. Oh. Ayan, hindi nila naubos. Kaya pang some other time. How are you? Good. So this is our last morning in here. So are you okay now? Everybody. Kyle, Gerard, look at me. Can you say bye-bye to me?
Bye-bye.
Oh, one more time. Yeah,
See you next camping.
Yay! Thank you. Bye-bye.
Detected Costco interview ng Jingjing. Ay, Costco ata ba dyan? Ay, ano ba dyan? Amazon.
Okay. Time to maangot mo talaga jikwa niya. Sarwa. Tapos ikwam, i-off mo ay usaram diyay. Kita ni uwing na next time buy this. Chak akit pisil-pisil uklatan. It takes a while. Iso diyay. Okay, we are ready to go home. Thank you so much. Thank you, big bro. Thank you for everything.
I didn't do nothing.
Okay.
Thank you again.
Yeah. Oh, say bye-bye na nga, Rod.
Thank you. That was exciting. Did you bring us home?
Ayan. So, everything is packed. Sasakay na kami. So, again, thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. Get together again. Bye-bye.
Open your eyes. Now you see